From the industry leader in high-performance audio, Yamaha introduces the AS801 integrated amplifier. With advanced technologies housed in a timeless design, the AS801 delivers exciting, dynamic audio with a refined, beautiful appearance. Notice the aluminum front panel's textured hairline finish with luxurious dials and switches. Underneath the amplifier is a double-bottom chassis design with the anti-resonance and tough bass which shields from unwanted high-frequency noise and vibrations to offer a pure, articulate listening experience. Connect your TV and Blu-ray player using the optical and digital coaxial inputs. Additionally, hi-fi enthusiasts can enjoy the next generation of high-resolution audio with the built-in USB DAC function that utilizes the high-performance ESS Sabre 32-bit Premier 2-channel digital-to-audio converter. For legacy audio devices, gold-plated inputs and speaker terminals ensure high conductivity that prevents signal loss, giving you rich, dynamic sound. Only very high-quality parts carefully selected and tested are used in Yamaha amplifiers, allowing the AS801 to effortlessly deliver audio that will astound you. With a straight connection to the CD input, CD direct amplification maximizes your CD source's signal-to-noise ratio. Engaging pure direct mode allows signals to travel the shortest possible circuit route, bypassing the buffer amp and the tone, loudness, and balance controls to virtually eliminate any signal degradation for the purest sound quality. The AS801 also features a continuously variable loudness control to provide full tonal range at any volume level, compensating for the natural loss in the human ear of high and low frequencies at lower levels. With stunning, natural sound performance, high-quality components and inputs, and a flawlessly elegant appearance, the AS801 takes your home theater to a whole new level of power and performance.
Hi there, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new A9150, which is a stereo amplifier which has high performance built-in DACs. But first up, let's take a look at the front of the A9150. You've got a standby button, as you'd expect. While the unit's in standby, it only actually uses 0.2 of a watt. You've also got speakers A and B. Now this actually allows you to run speakers A or B or both together if you wish to bi-amp your speakers. Then we have the bass, treble and balance controls. These can all be defeated in the direct mode if you don't wish to use them. Then next to the centrally located volume control we actually have the inputs, and here we have 4 digital inputs and 5 analog inputs, one of them being specifically for the phono turntable input. We also have our direct button. This, as I said previously, defeats the tone controls. There's also a phase matching bass button, and this is for richer, deeper bass with better midtones. And we have a moving coil, moving magnet selector for the phono board. And then lastly, there's a headphone socket. So that's all done now across the front. Let's take a look at the back. First up on the back of the A9150 are the digital inputs. These are marked D1 through to D4. And then right at the top we have the RI remote control connection. Then we have the dedicated phono input. Inside the 9150 there is a high grade dedicated separated phono head amp. And this actually will allow for moving magnet and moving core cartridges. Then we have 4 line level phono inputs along the bottom, again selectable from the front on the input. Then we have a main in, so you can actually use the 9150 as a power amp, and we have a pre-out, so this means alternatively you could use it actually as a preamp. So if you wanted to get really serious, you could actually use 2 of these, one as a preamp and another as a power amp. And we also have a line out, so you can connect that up to some sort of recording device. And then finally we have full metal binding posts for your speaker cables. And finally we have actually added a detachable power lead, so if you want to put a high performance, high grade third party power lead on there, you're more than welcome to. And now that's all the outside covered, let's take a look on the inside. So there's a few things on the inside that I'd like to run through and show you. First thing would be that the huge high output transformer that's fitted inside, and the custom made audiophile grade capacitors that are used to clean and stabilize the power coming in. Then we have the high grade high resolution DAC board fitted, and this DAC board is actually quite special because it sports our DIDRC filter circuit which completely removes all of the ultra high frequencies that can actually interrupt and disturb the frequencies that you can actually hear. And also on the board is actually fitted a 768 kHz 32-bit processing DAC, and this is all done to give you the best possible cleanest digital signal before it goes into the analog processing and amplification. Another piece of technology we have inside is something called the Spectra module. Now this amplifier module allows massive instantaneous voltage delivery to give lifelike dynamics well up into the megahertz range. Well, I hope you've enjoyed taking this in-depth look at the A9150. If you have, please like the page and subscribe to the channel.
Built on a 100-year legacy of quality Japanese sound engineering, the Denon 800 series is the premium hi-fi system for audio enthusiasts. Combine the integrated amplifier with the CD player and network audio player for an elevated hi-fi experience. Advanced circuitry reduces unwanted interference for clean, transparent sound. Enjoy powerful audio with musical fidelity. Advanced Denon processing restores lost data in digital recordings. Hear highly detailed sound in your CDs and MP3s and enjoy the purity of high-res formats. A premium build and rigorous component testing eliminates microphonic effects, protecting the overall sound quality. The 2-channel amplifier with digital inputs and a built-in phono equalizer handles a wide range of high-resolution audio sources, whether you listen to CDs, lossless file formats, or your cherished vinyl collection. Connect the amplifier to the CD player to enjoy audio playback from your CDs. Plug in your USB storage device and listen to high-res files with signal purity. Stream music over Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, or the HEOS app to enjoy your favorite music services from any of your connected smart devices with gapless playback. Step into the world of premium hi-fi with the Denon 800 series, the pinnacle choice for hi-fi enthusiasts.
Hi there, and in this video we're going to be taking a look around the new A9110 budget stereo amplifier from Onkyo, and as you can see it gets its looks from its big brother the A9130. But first let's take a look over the front panel to see what we're getting. Across the front of the 9110 we've got a recessed standby button, there's an IR receiver eye, we've got bass, treble and balance which can be used just for minor tweaking to get the sound just the way you want it. There's a motorized volume control, there's a pure direct button. Now this will actually completely defeat the bass, treble and balance. And then there's the phase matching bass. So PM bass or phase matching bass, what does it actually do? The best way to think of it is like an intelligent loudness control, and we all know that loudness controls tend to be used at low volumes to help fill out the sound. Now the major drawback with using a loudness control is that you get a phase shift in the low frequencies, and these problems can occur even up to 300 Hz, and this in turn is detrimental to one of the most important areas, which is the vocals, and essentially everything becomes blurry and muddy with a lack of detail. But PM bass has been designed to eliminate all of this muddiness, which allows everything to snap sharply back into focus. So carrying on with the front panel, we've got a very simple, elegant input display, which is accompanied by a rotary input dial. You just spin it round till you get to the input that you want. It's as easy as that. And then lastly for the front panel, we've got a headphone socket, and for the metric among you it's 6.35mm, or for the imperial among you that's a 1/4 inch. 9110's remote allows you to control all of the parts of the amplifier. Not only that, using our proprietary RI link you can actually control one of our CD players as well. Now I think we've covered everything across the front, so now it's time that we went round to the back panel and take a look at all the connections. Now first up is the dedicated moving magnet phono input. Then we have 4 line level inputs and a line output. We've also got a pre-out for a subwoofer and our speaker connections for left and right. Speaker binding post will actually accept 4mm banana plugs. but you have to remove the safety plugs first. This can be done really simply by just using a pair of pliers that you can just pop out the plugs. This then gives you the option of using banana plugs, or alternatively you can unwind the posts and use normal bare wire. Now the 9110 boasts 50 watts per channel using our RAT amplification, and I will be doing a separate video talking and discussing about what RAT amplification actually is. To support the RAT amplification, there's a massive EL transformer inside, along with custom capacitors for the best possible sound quality. Now, I think that covers everything that you need to know about the A9110. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Building on 125 years of excellence in design and craftsmanship, Yamaha brings rich experience and high technological expertise to the AS301 to reproduce high-quality sound with rich musicality. Based on the concept of natural sound for reproducing music as it really sounds, the AS301 is designed for audio that's deeply moving with a beautiful appearance. With richly textured aluminum hairline finish inherited directly from Yamaha hi-fi audio components, these amplifiers also boast an easy-to-operate layout. Optical and coaxial terminals allow digital inputs for your TV and Blu-ray player, giving you pure, pristine, dynamic sound for all your entertainment sources. Yamaha uses only very high-quality parts that are carefully selected and tested to allow the AS301 to effortlessly handle demanding audio signal conditions. Innovations such as top art and direct symmetrical design and a highly rigid chassis contribute to these amplifiers' precise audio reproduction. Engage pure direct mode and cause the music signals to travel the shortest possible circuit route, bypassing the buffer amp and the tone, loudness, and balance controls, and virtually eliminate any signal degradation for the purest sound quality. The AS301 also features a new continuously variable loudness control to provide full tonal range at any volume level, compensating for the natural loss in the human ear of high and low frequencies at lower levels. With a timeless design that offers a simple operation and versatile connection options, the AS301 lets you enjoy a powerful yet elegant integrated amplifier from Yamaha at a reasonable price.